Welcome to my channel, Maritime TV. Are you a seafarer looking for your first ship job? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to apply and get hired even with little or no experience. So you will see how to get seafarer jobs with no experience, steps by steps for beginners 2025. This video is presented to you by Maritime TV. So before continuing, subscribe this channel so as to be the first one to get more information and new videos notifications once they are uploaded. This is a photo of seafarers. I know you like to be one among of them, but don't worry. I will lead you step by step on how to get your first job and reach higher ranks in a ship. So, who can apply for these positions? This video is specifically made for beginners, those who want to start working on ships as waiter, oiler, or ordinary seaman without much experience. So number one is for freshers who have completed their courses from the universities or institutes and they want to work at sea. And number two is new seafarers. And number three, oiler, waiter, and ordinary seaman. These are entry levels for seafarers. Also, people with 0 to 1 year experience. This video is right for you. So, support this channel for more information. So let's see the quality documents. Before applying for any ship job, make sure you have these important documents ready. These are international requirements for working at sea. And number one is passports. Traveling passports must be valid traveling passports with more than 6 months of validity. And number two, the seaman book. If you have experience, make sure your seaman book or CDC show your experience with the official terms. And number three is STCW certificates and must be valid. You must have also medical certificates. IRO medical certificates must be valid from the recognized institute or hospital. Also, you must have yellow fever card. It's the vaccination. Yellow fever, you must have it in order to get your as a seafarer international. And also, but optional, you must have H2S certificates, hydrogen sulfide certificates. You must be aware when this is because it's very harmful, and you work with it when you are on board. This is the picture of junior seafarers who start their careers and want to become captain or chief engineers. So what are the entry-level jobs available? As a beginner, these are the positions you should focus on. They require basic skills but offer good learning opportunities on board. Don't look at salary. You must apply for these jobs so as to learn, and at the end you will get more opportunities from these jobs. So, jobs you can apply. Number one is wiper. Position engine room. Wiper position is wiper the entry-level job. For example, at Carnival, they require only 6 months of experience in order to get a job at Carnival. Also, oiler. This is responsible for engine room watchkeeping and other maintenance tasks by assisting engineers. So, this position requires experience, for example, about 1 year of experience. Ordinary seaman. This is the entry-level at big department. Messman is the staff. So, another position is utility or cleaner. You'll be responsible for cleaning the ship, galley areas, and other areas. And another one is cook assistant. Cook assistant will not require much experience to apply. If you have the quality certificates, you can be joined in the ship as a cook assistant. So, join a ship to see a beautiful horizon like this one shown in the photo. So, what is the best companies hiring? You can apply on Carnival Line. So this one, MSC Cruises, Maersk Line. Also, V-Ships, SeamanWebsites.com and Indeed.com. Just decide for any job position you want, and they will tell you the hand on how to apply and what requirements they need. After applying, they can contact you when the job is available. So, if you're continuing, also remember to subscribe to the channel because you are very memorable person in this video, and the improvements should be made from your opinions. So, what is the tips to be selected? As you see, entry-level jobs have much competitions. So, in order to be selected, these are the tips. Number one, make a professional CV. Prepare a simple and professional CV. Number two, highlight STCW and the certificates. Number three, mention any practical status. Number four, always be honest about experience. Also, keep trying, never give up. So finally, remember, every captain, chief engineer, or experienced sailor started as a beginner. Stay motivated, keep learning, and your opportunity will come. So at the end, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Seafarer job tips. This is presented to you by Maritime TV. Subscribe again. But before these are the final tips. All apply for official sources. Don't apply through some websites that you don't know. Never pay for a job interview. Number three, subscribe for more weekly ship job updates. Disclaimer: we share only public infos as Maritime TV. We are not a hiring audiences. So don't forget to subscribe again by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you again.